Hi, you have tuned in to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. And if this is your first time, welcome. Welcome to Mary Precious Jones Huntsville. Okay guys, so today I am going to be taking down my former dining room. I'm going to take everything off the table, just the table, just going to do a tablescape. Well, take it back. I am not going to do a tablescape. I'm just going to take it down, wipe it down, and in my next video, stay tuned, you will see me style this tablescape. So guys, if you have not joined this channel as of now, you can always hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified each time when I upload another video. And leave me a comment. Comments help my channel grow. And if you join this family by hitting that subscribe button, please leave a comment and let me know that you have joined the Precious family, because I want to congratulate you. I want to thank you and welcome you, okay? All right, so let me tell you what I do on this particular channel. I do decorate with me, clean with me. I go out shopping and I take you along with me, and I do cleaning on my exterior, cleaning on my interior, and I do a little bit of real estate. If this is something that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So I'm going to start off by cleaning everything off of this table. Okay, let's go. All right, so I want to talk to you as I was doing this, and I got to sort this out so I won't have, I like to do organizing as I get started. So I'm gonna place all of my utensils inside of this glass right here. Move this down to that end. Removing my napkins. Yes. As long as I can get organized, I will be okay. So that's the main thing, right? It's getting organized. Okay. So, guys, you can comment below and let me know what you are doing for the spring. Are you going to be doing a lot of decorating as far as changing things up? Or have you done your spring cleaning? Just let me know, okay? Oh, yes. So, let's move down a little bit further here. And I will move you guys around so you can see as well. Get all my cups in line. And I will probably be going off of camera, so just bear with me. Okay. So, but anyway, we got Mother's Day coming up. Yes, we have Mother's Day coming up, and guys, just let me know what you guys are going to be doing for your mother for this particular Mother's Day, okay? And whatever you do, make sure you treat her special. So I'm not sure what my kids are planning for Mother's Day for me, but many of you guys know that I do not have a living mother, so I wish I did. And if I were, if she was alive, I'd be doing something special for her. And just make sure that whatever you're doing, let it be well thought of, okay? So just don't put anything together at the last minute unless you just have to. But it's not always the gift, but it's always the thought. So whatever you do, make it be thoughtful. And since we talked about Mother's Day, so let's get to this table here, because I still got a lot of stuff I need to take off of this table. And you know what? It's a job just putting your items away, especially if you got a lot of items on the table. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing for this table in my next video, you know what? I'm not for sure right now, but I'm quite sure I will find something to do. Not for sure what color I'm going to go with, but the main thing right now is getting everything off of the table. Last piece. Yes, this is my last piece. I can shout now because I'm down to just the cleaning part, the wiping down. All right, so stay tuned and I will be right back. Okay, now what I normally use is plain old English for the wood protector and cleaner. That's it. This is one of my favorites. I'm not advertising for Old English, but I love them, okay? I love them. Love their product. Okay, so let's go. We're just gonna spray a little bit and wipe a little bit here. Now guys, if this is something that interests you, where I will be uploading other videos and what I had mentioned about the different things that I do on this channel, at this time you can go ahead on and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. It's listed right below this video, and I do want to let you know that you have to have a Google account, like a Gmail account. So you can just make your Gmail email, and that will qualify you to subscribe. That will allow you to subscribe to this channel here, and that's all you have to do. And to make a Gmail account, just go to Google and hit the mail, and it will ask you to create a username and a password. And once you do that, you can name your, I guess you can just think of a name, you know. If you want to name it Mary K, Mary X, whatever. The cat went to the moon. It will let you do that if no one else has already taken that name, okay? And just create you a password and come back and subscribe to the channel. How about that? All right, guys, so I'm just going to show you what my table looks like after I have cleaned it. Okay, so now that you got your Gmail account, go ahead on and hit that subscribe button. And once you join the channel, please comment below and let me know that you have joined the Precious family, and I will be more than happy to welcome you to the Precious family. Okay, here is the reveal. And this is what my table is looking like after I have cleaned it. Okay? So I'm going to come back to you in another video, and I will show you how I style this table. Okay? All right, so I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.